Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, we're gonna see a Java program to check whether given number is positive or negative or zero. So let's get started. First, I will create a public void method to check the given number is positive or negative or zero. There can be three possibilities, and as an argument, we will take an integer number. So first, in if else, we will check the particular number is greater than 0 or not. If it is a greater than 0, then that number will be like a positive number. So then we will print in a out that given number is positive. Again, after if we'll check whether particular number is less than 0 or not. If it is a less than 0, that means that particular number is a negative number. So again, I will give s out statement. In s out, I will print given number is negative. And the third condition will be one more else block. In else block, will print the given number is 0. So let's understand the program. If a particular number is greater than 0, then that particular number is a positive. If it is a less than 0, then it is a negative, else it is 0. So let's use this method in our main method. For that, we have to make it static because we can only call static methods inside a static method. So first, let's declare one number as first I will declare 10. Now I will pass the number to the created method. Now once we execute the program, it will check whether the given number, which is 10, is positive or negative or 0. Let's execute the program. So here you can see it's correctly predicted that the number is positive. Let me give a minus sign here, then we'll, so this is now a negative number. Let's run the program again. Okay, so here it is printing the given number is negative. Now I will give only 0 as a number. Now it should print the given number is 0. So you can see it is giving correct output that given number is 0. So in this particular way, we can check whether given number is negative, positive or 0. So that's it for this particular video. We'll see in the next video.